Hello and welcome to our channel Woodturning. Today we will make a wood vase from this wood sample. We start with roughing process in which the unwanted layers of wood sample are being removed. When we do with this process, we stay careful because the rough part of the wood will go into our eyes and can cause damage. While doing this process, we have to keep patience because this process can take a long time. And also have to be careful by not cutting excess of wood because there are more process has to be carried out, and at that time we may run out of the sample. As you can see, almost all particles are directly hitting the body. So for that reason, we stay careful. Now, as you can see, the wood is running into the required sample for the next process. And yes, for sure, we didn't take it out till now. I think the sample has got its required shape. Next, we start the hollowing process where we give the shape to the sample from inside of lathe. This is the easy part of the job, only if it is carried out properly and carefully, or else you can break the sample. To select the proper gauge for this process to be done nicely and neatly is the most important part of the job. Gauge is the main tool to carry out any process, so the maintenance of the gauge is must. There are many different types of gauge available in the market. Now, as you can see, after applying a wood shining coat, we got our vase ready. Next, we have one wood sample which is small and has a long length. Stay with us to know what we do with this sample. First, we do a roughing part because as you can see there is a lot of rough and unwanted particles on the upper layer of wood. Here, we use a big gauge to give it the required shape. The big particles are bouncing from the gauge and going up in the direction, but with little force, so it's not too risky. And also, the little particles are sliding down at the bottom of the gauge. This is the main reason we use this big gauge over here. From the side angle, we can see the gauge is getting the required shape for the next process. We continue with this process till the sample take the proper shape so that the next process can be done nicely. Here, the 70% part of the sample is in the shape, so now we can focus on the next 30% part of the sample. We carry out this 30% processing of the sample by running the gauge from left to right of the sample. In between, we keep the shape from upside also, so that we get an idea of cutting the precise amount of the bottom part. Now, as the bottom part has become thin, we use a small gauge to do it carefully, or else it will get damaged. As you can see, we keep running the gauge from left to right to give the proper shape. So finally, the process of applying the wood shining coat has come, and as you can see, the wood sample has took the best shape as we wanted. We apply it from the inside first and then on the outside. As you can see, our goblet is ready. Wow, this art is looking so good. I think we did an amazing job today. I hope every one of y'all had fun watching this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to our channel Woodturning for more new videos. Also, press the bell icon to get notified for the next video. Till the next time.